Method design summary. The design method for this particular cohort study, we examined the relationship between weight changes and increased incidence of diabetes. Cohorts is when an investigator select a group of exposed people and a group of non-exposed people and compare the incidence of a disease. The exposed group have greater proportion than the non-exposed group. This study was based on a collection of data used in 3 areas: questionnaires, institutional records, and death certificates. Death certificates are identified through National Death Index and Healthcare Financing Administration. The original cohort study started with a total population of 14,407 in the age ranges of 25 years and greater. After various exclusion of participants, we have a final total of 8,545 sample sizes and a number of incident cases of diabetes at 487.